What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just want to take a minute and say I apologize for not making a video. It's been a while. The Buick was down for a little bit. Really didn't have nothing to share with you guys, but today we're going to take the Monty out to a local car show here in town, which supports our fire company. So it should be a really good time. We'll see what's going on, see what kind of cars are out there. Probably throw the drone up in the air. Got the GoPro attached to the car right now. So otherwise, should be a good time. I'm looking forward to it. I want to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed, and if you haven't, consider hitting that subscribe button right now for me. I appreciate it. Help grow this channel. So let's head in the car and go head up to this car show.
Start it up.
Definitely a lot of nice cars out here today. Good showing for being a little town show. Lots of Mustangs since it was put on by a local car club by the name of Pig Viscous Racing. But that's cool. A lot of them have a bunch of different work done, horsepower mods, not just visuals. So that's cool. I respect that. Even though I'm not a Ford guy, that's all right. Can appreciate each kind of make and model.
Lit.
That's a beautiful green. I love that color Roadrunner. Listen, I'll be the first to admit I don't know much about Fords, but that Fairlane is awesome. Kick-ass, one of, in my opinion, the nicest cars here. That's a lot of tire shine. Jesus. I don't know if you can tell the sparkle that's coming through here, but that's got some pop to it.
Start it up.
I like the brass knuckle oh shit handles. That's pretty cool. I just noticed the door handles too. Looks like a back end of a magazine. That's the thing about coming to a car show sponsored by a Ford Car Club. They put you in the cheap seats. Nah, just kidding. Just happened to be when I got here. There's plenty of other makes and models up there in the main lot. I'm just messing. I think they put on a really good show. Shout out to Magnolia Fire Department for their first annual car show, as well as Pig Viscous Racing. I think they're about to start the awards here shortly, so let's go over there.
Everybody enjoyed their day. We appreciate you coming out. We're going to get right to it. Frank, go 67 Ford Mustang. Car 2. You getting pictures? Anybody getting pictures?
Thank you, brother.
Congratulations. Beautiful car.
Thank you.
Tom Passarillo, 1970 GTO.
Nice.
Paul Leach, 63 Vet, 43, car 43.
Fire Chief's Award is going to go to car number 27, Mr. Kochi. What kind of car? Ronin.
That's messed up,
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for showing up today. This was a great event by everybody. The mayor's choice, it was tough. It was very tough. I'm not no expert, okay? You tell me, pick color. Pick what you like. I don't know. But anyway, it came down to Rob Kochi, the Barracuda, 47.
Good job, Rob.
Congratulations. Oh, we have to get a picture there.
Of course, we have Best of Show, which is this car's well deserved. You all deserve a trophy. It's just a shame we don't have enough to give out to everyone. But Michael Long, 72 Dodge Challenger, car 42.
Wow, Michael.
That's a nice car. There you go. Oh, man.
Congratulations. Nice job.
Big shout out to Magnolia Fire Company for hosting the show today here in Magnolia, New Jersey. First year, I think. So for first year, awesome show. Good job, guys. And Pig Viscous Racing, I guess, was the co-sponsor here because it looks like a lot of the cars are from that car club. Awesome job. Definitely enjoying our day here. Good turnout. Awesome people. Great cars. Good job, guys. All right, guys, that's it from the Magnolia Fire Department in collaboration with Pig Viscous Car Show here in Magnolia, New Jersey. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for watching. If you like that video, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, help grow this channel. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, see ya.